What if one small lie could destroy the trust you've built for years? And what if the courage to speak the truth could change your entire future? Let me tell you the story of Ethan, a young man from Boston, who learned that honesty is more powerful than charm. Ethan was 25, ambitious, and eager to prove himself in the corporate world. He had just landed a job at a respected marketing firm in Boston. He wasn't the smartest in the office, but he had charm. He knew how to talk, how to impress, and how to make people laugh. But Ethan carried a dangerous habit. He often twisted the truth, sometimes small lies to look smarter, sometimes big ones to cover his mistakes. One Monday morning, his manager, Mr. Collins, asked him about an important report. Ethan hadn't finished it. Instead of admitting the truth, he smiled and said, "Yes, sir. I emailed it last night. Maybe it went to your spam folder." It worked at least for that moment. But inside, Ethan felt uneasy. A week later, the truth came out. The client complained that the report was never submitted. Mr. Collins called Ethan into his office. "Ethan, did you lie to me?" The room fell silent. Ethan's face turned pale. He wanted to defend himself, but for the first time, his words felt heavy. That night, Ethan sat alone in his apartment, staring at the city lights. He realized his charm could no longer hide the cracks in his character. The next morning, instead of escaping again, Ethan walked into Mr. Collins' office and said, "Sir, I lied. I was afraid of looking weak, but I promise it won't happen again. I'll earn back your trust." Mr. Collins studied him carefully. Then, to Ethan's surprise, he said, "Ethan, everyone makes mistakes. What matters is whether you learn from them. Show me your integrity now." That single moment became a turning point. Ethan worked harder than ever before. He stayed late, asked questions, and delivered more than expected. Slowly, his colleagues noticed the change. He wasn't the funny guy with easy charm anymore. He was the reliable one. Months passed. When the company needed someone to lead a new project, you've proven your resolve. This is your chance for redemption. Ethan smiled, not because he got the promotion, but because he finally understood. Honesty may be uncomfortable at first, but it builds a foundation nothing can break. Vocabulary: deception, meaning act of lying, tricking. Example: his deception cost him many friends. Accountability, meaning taking responsibility. Example: good leaders show accountability for their actions. Redemption, meaning earning back respect, forgiveness. Example: after his mistake, he worked hard for redemption. Resolve, meaning strong decision, determination. Example: she showed great resolve in finishing the marathon. This story teaches us something powerful. Lies may open doors quickly, but the truth keeps them open forever. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful life lessons and English learning stories.